Welcome to Marshmallow and Mochi English Studio. We're so glad you're here in our studio today. Welcome back to the studio, everyone. I'm Marshmallow. Today, we're going to explore something we use every single second but rarely think about, our five senses. We think our eyes and ears show us the truth, but in reality, your brain is a master of illusion.
I'm Mochi, and honestly, Marshmallow, after our talk about brain glitches, I don't trust my head at all anymore. But my senses? I can feel my fur. I can smell a sunflower seed from a mile away. Surely those are real, right?
Mostly, but your brain often filters out the truth to keep you from going crazy. Let's start with a mystery. Mochi, have you ever tried to tickle yourself?
Well, not in public. But wait, hey, nothing. If you tickled me right now, Marshmallow, I would be rolling on the floor laughing. But when I do it to myself, it just feels like nothing. Why is that? Am I tickle-proof?
You aren't tickle-proof, Mochi. You are just predictable. This is due to your cerebellum. Your brain monitors your own movements. When you move your own hand to tickle yourself, your brain predicts the sensation. Because it knows exactly what is coming, it cancels the feeling of surprise.
So my brain is a spoiler alert? It spoils the joke before it happens?
Exactly. It's a defense mechanism. If you felt every single sensation of your clothes touching your skin or your feet touching the floor as new information, your brain would overheat. It ignores the things you do so it can focus on things other people do, like a predator sneaking up on you.
Wow, so being ticklish is actually a survival skill. I love that. But wait, how does predicting help my English?
It's the same with listening. Beginners often try to hear every single the, at, and of, but native speakers' brains cancel those predictable sounds. They don't really hear them, they just predict them. Once you start predicting the rhythm of English, you'll stop struggling to catch every tiny word. You'll become tickle-proof to difficult grammar.
I want to be tickle-proof. Okay, what's the second sensory secret? Is it about food? Please let it be about food.
Yes, it is. It's about why people fight over a tiny green herb, cilantro or coriander. Mochi, do you like cilantro on your tacos?
I love it. It's fresh, it's citrusy, it's delicious. But my friend Yuki, oh boy, if a single leaf of cilantro touches her food, she makes a face like she's eating a bar of laundry soap. She says it's poison. Is she just being dramatic?
Actually, no. Yuki isn't being dramatic. She's a genetic mutant.
Yuki is an X-Man?
In a way. About 10 to 20% of the population has a specific variation in a gene called OR6A2. This gene allows your nose to detect a chemical called aldehydes. These are the exact same chemicals found in, you guessed it, soap.
So for her, it literally is soap? That sounds terrible.
It is. Her brain isn't lying, it's just perceiving a different part of the chemical truth than you are. This shows us that taste is not objective, it's personal. And Mochi, this is exactly like slang in English.
Slang? Like it's a soap opera?
Not quite. Some people hear slang and think it's bad English or messy. But for others, it's the fresh cilantro that makes the language alive. You have to realize that language, like taste, depends on the genes of the culture you are in. Don't judge a word just because it tastes like soap to you at first.
I see. I should be open to all flavors of English, even the soapy ones. Okay, I'm ready for the final mystery. What have you got?
This one is a visual and auditory puzzle. It's called the Booba Kiki effect.
Booba? Kiki? Are those your new friends?
No, they are shapes. Imagine two shapes. One is a round, curvy, cloud-like shape. The other is a sharp, spiky, star-like shape. Now, Mochi, If I tell you that one is named Booba and one is named Kiki, which is which?
Oh, that's easy. The round, bubbly one is definitely Booba. It sounds round. And the sharp, spiky one is Kiki. It sounds like it could poke me.
Exactly. And here's the mind-blowing part. 95% of people across all languages, from Japan to Brazil to Africa, say the exact same thing.
Wait, 95%? But Booba and Kiki are just made-up words. Why do we all agree?
It's called synesthesia. Our brains naturally link the sharp sound of the letter K with sharp visual angles, and the round sounds of B and OU with round visual curves. Our senses are not separate, they are cross-wired.
Cross-wired? Like a messy bunch of cables behind the TV?
Precisely. This is why some English words feel right. Think about words like glow, gleam, and glimmer. They all start with GL, and they all relate to light. Your brain loves these connections. When you learn English, don't just learn the definition. Look for the shape of the word. Does it feel booba, round and soft, or kiki, sharp and fast?
Oh, like smooth is totally a Booba word, and attack is a Kiki word.
Spot on, Mochi. If you connect English words to shapes and feelings, you're using your brain's natural cross-wiring to memorize things faster. You aren't just a student, you're a sensory master.
I love being a sensory master. I'm gonna go around naming everything Booba and Kiki now. Marshmallow, my brain battery is actually feeling more charged after this. I'm ready to move.
Then let's use that energy. It's time for our shadowing practice to lock in these concepts. In this part, we will practice some key phrases from our sensory deep dive. I will say the sentence first, then Mochi will lead you. Focus on the shape of the sounds. Make the K's sharp and the B's round.
Let's do some sensory shadowing. Repeat after me. Your brain filters the world for you. You cannot tickle yourself. My brain predicts my own movements. Don't worry about hearing every tiny word. Predicting the rhythm is the secret. Taste is personal, not objective. Cilantro tastes like soap to some people. Be open to different flavors of English. Sounds have shapes in our minds. Booba is round and Kiki is sharp. My senses are cross-wired. Feel the shape of the English words. I am a sensory master. Consistency is the key to fluency. I am getting better every day.
Excellent practice. Remember, the world is much bigger than what you see and hear.
And English is much more than just words on a page. Thank you for learning with us.
Stay curious, keep sensing the world, and we will see you in the next session.
Bye-bye. Happy Booba practice-y.